Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the channel Website Creation, the home of creativity. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use my leftover vintage material to achieve a simple blouse, very stylish simple blouse like this. So I'm going to take you through that process. So let's go into the tutorial proper. So I have my material folded into 4 pieces, and so the width of the material is 15 by 27. So I made the neck 4 by 4 for the front. Then for the back, I made it 1.5. I came down by 1.5. So I came down by 1.5 for my shoulder slope. So I made my shoulder to bust 11 inches. I made my bust 14 inches, 10 plus 4 inch allowance. So I took it down. I want to say a very big thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for returning to watch my video. Thank you for showing me love. I appreciate you all. And to you who subscribe later, thank you, thank you, thank you. So if you have a leftover material at home, you can try out this style. I assure you will love it. So I went ahead to cut the front, the neck, and the back. That's the back. I cut the back out first. So I'm cutting the front neck. Remember, it's 4 by 4. So I'm cutting it out. So you can do same also with your leftover material. You can make yours bigger. You can make the hand longer or even shorter. So I finished cutting it. So this is it. So I'm going to go in with my bias to pipe the neck round. After piping it, I cut out a little piece of the material to attach to the hand. I'm also going to use my elastic to place at the down of the material. So this is what I have after piping the neck and attaching the material to the hand. So this is it. So this is it. After attaching it, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine now, sew it round and attach my elastic at the bottom. So this is it. This is it. Can't you see how beautiful it is? It's very simple, but it's classy. So you can make yours also. You can make it longer if you want. This is it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.